How to install Steam on Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can install Steam on your Windows device. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's dive right into it. First, open up your web browser and simply search for Steam. And after you search for Steam, there you'll find Install Steam option. Tap on Install Steam and head over to this website. There you'll find Install Steam option. Tap on Install Steam and let the download begin. There you can see Steam's setup gets downloaded, so you can open that up. After that, you can start setting up by following the prompts here. Keep on tapping on Next. Make sure that you select your language, then tap on Next and then tap on Install. After the installation completes, you're good to go. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.